In this video, I'll be walking you through how to make a table in Excel step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to launch your Microsoft Excel and open a blank workbook and then enter your data. So you're going to need to type your data into the cells. So for example, in A1, I'm just going to write name, B1, age, city, race. So let's say for name, John, Marcus, Peter, and James. Age 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is just some random data just to show you how this works. For the city, we're going to have, let's say, New York, LA, Arizona, and Montreal. Right. For race, let's just say white, black, Hispanic, and Asian. Right. So after you filled in your data, the next thing you want to do is to click and drag your mouse over the data that you've inputted right here, and then go over to the insert option in the top menu and click on table. So a box will pop up. Make sure my table has headers is checked, and then click OK. Right. And then as you can see, you're going to be a table will be created and you have the option to customize it as per your preference. So I'm just going to go with orange here. You can also make edits to this table as per your preference. So if I just go over here and highlight the table, I can basically make changes in the top column of the table. You can also click on it to add filters. For example, you can make the list ascending or descending, as well as other like parameters as well. And you can also, let's say, change the parameters of the table by essentially just clicking, highlighting the whole thing, going over to table. So for example, you can mess with the borders. For example, you can maybe top and thick bottom border, and as you can see, that has been thickened. And you can of course make any other adjustments that you prefer for your table as per your preference. In order to do that, all you need to do is to highlight all of the data and then make the changes as you prefer. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.